but you never saw my sacrifice, or all the nights I had to struggle to survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so many times. Oh, now I'm the last one standing.
You weren't with me on the cold block nights, now you front row for the spotlight. Now the diamonds in the out of my bright, just overseas for a fight flight. Young, going bullshit, and I ball on them Bill Cartwright. I can shine through the dark. I guess I always been a star type. That line in me made my heart fight. Could've been a victim of a op pipe. Took a million risks just to get to this, cause we ain't the ones that the cops like. Been so many times God tested me, they only see the answers I got right. They commenting all on the blogs, trying to tell me how to live my life. And I waited so patiently, if you could take off, don't wait for me. No days off, grind faithfully, I keep thanking God for saving me. Frontline showcasing our bravery. I know that top spot, it was made for me. It all paid off, so we felt the struggle so painfully.
Now you see me standing in the lights, but you never saw my sacrifice, or all the nights I had to struggle to survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so many times. Oh, now I'm the last one standing.
Pleasant April morning.
Yeah, you know the code, we gotta live by. Never mind
Tonight,
all the ice cubes on this wrist.
on tonight's episode, we're gonna draw up Agent Venom.
It was hella times where I failed when I had to double back from them L's. Bet he don't double back when he tell. Cause it ain't no coming back when you tell. Why would you leave me here by myself and it be lonely? Hey, I blew the whole bag on they flights, ain't leaving the homies. If he really gained to get him a chain, no Cubans and conies. White Zime in the stogie, stood firm, never folded. Furthest thing from a rodent, you put the jacket on and you bogus. Yeah, big
I have
dog,
layers on.
I had to spin off to stay focused. Long jab on emotion, we on the bandit shit when it's hopeless. I'd have been broke before and they know.
Anyhow, local, local New Yorker Flash Thompson got his proposition on Project Symbiote, and well, this guy and the Venom symbiote merged together to become a symbiote warrior, otherwise known as Agent Venom. This guy is one of the first ever web warriors.
But all you see is the fame and the millions. You don't see the strength and resilience. How I rack my brain, but it feels as if I'm trying to explain it to children. So a lot of this pain isn't healing. You're escaping it, this anger is spilling. Almost like recreating the feeling of 9/11 when the second plane hit the building. So let them paint me the villain. Some of this just may be a symptom of having way too much income. But when you struggle every day just to get some, now all of this hate is a syndrome. When they can't relate, that stems from money looking like it grows on trees. Yeah, they're green, but those aren't leaves. Suffice to say, with every sacrifice I made, it's like I gave up my life to fame. All the nights that I lied awake, nights I stayed up to write and pray. Had to claw, scratch, and fight my way. Just follow me and I'll light the way. Look to the hook if your sky look gray. Skyland rappers, how can we?
He only took one small piece of the symbiotes to transform Flash into the symbiote warrior that he is now.
You ain't see the struggle to make it out the D because I made it somehow look easy.
Now you see me standing in the lights, but you never saw my sacrifice, or all the nights I had to struggle to survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so many times. Oh, now I'm the last one standing.
One thing about Agent Venom, this guy has the arsenal on his back, and he can also transform a bike into a symbiote racer. Alexa, play Hero by Chad Kroeger.
Hero by Chad Kroeger, featuring Josie Scott on Amazon Music.
I am so high, I can hear heaven. I'm so high.
Did you know that Agent Venom can fly? Not.
Someone told me love would all save us. But how can that be? Look what love gave us.
And finished. There we go. That's how you draw Agent Venom.
Full of killing and blood spilling, that world never came. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand.
I consider this guy to be one of my favorites. And trust me, I'm a gigantic... I have a suitable interest on Agent Venom. And, of course, Venom itself. I promise there will be more Marvel characters for you on the way. That's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And check out which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night!